Why do we need training? Our people know how to use computers. If you've recently adopted a Windows 10 tablet or device like the Surface Pro, then your people need training to use that device effectively. Sure, they're probably mostly comfortable using a keyboard and mouse, but our experience consistently shows that they don't know how to use some of the more advanced features of Windows 10, and especially any features that are associated with the pen. And they're also unlikely to discover those features if left to their own devices. The reason that your people will not discover those features is because they simply don't know they exist. Donald Rumsfeld said there's things that we know we know. And in this case, we know that we can use a keyboard and a mouse to operate our computer fairly effectively. There's also things we know we don't know. For example, we might want to learn how to use certain programs like maybe OneNote a little bit better. But there's also things we don't know, or as Donald Rumsfeld said, unknown unknowns. In this case, unknown unknowns are things like using the pen to sign a document, to mark up a PowerPoint presentation, to take notes in OneNote, and to run your meetings more effectively. And because your people don't know about those features, they simply cannot master them. So if you want to realize the investment that you've made in advanced Windows 10 devices like the Surface Pro, and you want your people to be far more mobile than they've ever been before, then you need to introduce them to these concepts, and you need to teach them how to use those tools effectively. And that's where Tablet PC can help. We run training programs that can introduce your people to new ways of working with their computer, not just when they're sitting at the desk with the keyboard and mouse, but also when they're in a meeting room, on a bus, on a train, on a plane, using their device as a tablet. Our introductory Windows 10 training courses will equip you and your people with the knowledge that you need to go paperless.